Are sinus issues and allergies giving you a headache? Well, stick around because in today's video, how to relieve that at home. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Vincenzo Romualdi. I am a chiropractor in Yorkville in downtown Toronto, and today we're going to be talking about sinus congestion and how it may be causing you some headaches and how you can relieve that at home in between your chiropractic adjustments. So to start, what we're going to do is find the middle of your nose, and just out to the side there's a little indentation on the side of your nose. We're going to start with some gentle circles on each side. And you might feel a little pressure here, might feel a little pain. Don't want to be barging down the door, it's just a little knock at the door. Gentle circles, just getting things moving, melting away all the bad stuff in that area. Just gentle circles. Now we're going to go the opposite way. And this can feel quite relaxing. You might even feel your sinuses start to ease up a bit already just with these circular motions here. Can feel pretty nice. Now we're going to do a pressure and a hold this time. So now we're going to do a hold now that we've warmed things up. Now the hold, you can use your knuckles. I personally like to use my thumbs. So press in and out, and you want to hold that for about 10 seconds. And the entire time, just make sure you're breathing in and out through your nose, just gently, as you normally would. And relax. We'll do that 2 more times. So again, push in and spreading out towards your ears. Relaxing. We're going to take a couple more breaths here. So one more time, find the middle of your nose, pushing in and out. And some nice deep breaths here through your nose. Amazing. Oh, I'm feeling good already, and I don't even have congestion, so I can only imagine how you guys are feeling. So now, this next area we're going to target. If you're wearing glasses, you're going to have to take them off. But it's just under your eyebrow here. So it's not on your eyebrow, but just underneath. When you push in here, it might feel a little tender. But again, we're going to start with some gentle circles, just to warm that area up. And just continually breathing through your nose as you do this. And gentle circles the other way. Now before we get into the pressure and hold, I want you just taking your eyebrows and really just giving them a nice massage downwards. So just grabbing, and you'll really feel it as you get more toward the middle of your forehead, but grabbing from the outside in and just down. Just a nice gentle tug, just a nice gentle pinch and tug downwards, and oh, that feels so nice as you get toward the middle there. Just repeat that a couple times. One more time. Alright. Now for this hold, again, I'm going to use my thumbs. You could use your knuckles if you'd like, but I like the pads of my thumbs fit in there pretty nicely. So what you want to do is right here, and it's just a gentle push up and again out. And you might feel some tenderness, but again, it's not you're not barging through that door. It's just a simple knock. So just a gentle pressure. You don't want to be feeling too much pain while doing this. And again, you want to be holding for about 10 seconds, and then a gentle release. I'm going to be doing this 2 more times. Just into there. And don't forget to breathe. Breath is important. One more time. Remember, just pushing in and out. Gentle hold here. Relaxing your shoulders. Try not to create tension anywhere else in your system. Relaxing. Awesome. Doing great so far, and hope you're feeling better. So the last one we're going to do here, we're going to go back to where we started, just in the middle of your nose here. Out to the sides, and it's a gentle press, but this time instead of pressing and holding, we're going to stretch out to our ears. And you almost want to follow just under your cheekbone there. It might look weird, might feel weird. It's helping to get things moving, because unlike your cardiovascular system, your lymphatic system does not have a pump. So it relies on your movement and your muscles squeezing and engaging. So massages like this will help to move it as well. I'm going to repeat this about 10 times, nice and slowly. Amazing. Well, I hope you're feeling a lot better. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and be sure to share it with someone who you know it will help as well. My name is Dr. Vincenzo Romualdi. Thank you so much for tuning in, and looking forward to seeing you next video. Have a great week.